Growing up, I knew there was something missing from melanin-rich skin. I created Colé to fill the gap in the makeup space. One of the products that I'm most proud of is our skin enhancing tint. It's kind of your best skin in a bottle. I created Colé for women of color of any age to feel comfortable in their own skin. That's why I made this. I'm Diarrha N'Diaye, the CEO and founder of Colé. Being an immigrant was a true coming-of-age story. It took me a while to love where I was from. There was a huge disconnect from what the world perceived as beautiful and what I saw every single day. My parents immigrated from Senegal, West Africa. I was actually born and raised in New York City, in Harlem. Harlem is a place where style will always reign. My mom had this very small salon on 125th Street where everyone would come and get their hair braided and talk about their beauty secrets. For me, that was my world growing up. One of the hardest things was seeing skin bleaching being such a commonality in my culture. I knew growing up that I wanted to incite change, and that's why I wanted to create a brand that really leaned into the joy of having dark skin. I'm meeting with my sister Astu at my mom's salon. This is where I started dreaming big. My mom was my inspiration, an immigrant owning her own business. When I see my sister, we get to reminisce about growing up in Harlem and how the salon and the neighborhood sparked my passion for beauty.
So Diarrha, I'm excited for you because I remember you doing scrubs, doing facials, lemon, honey, right, and sugar. I'm not surprised that you have a brand. Yeah, so I'm very, very happy for you.
I had the idea to start this brand in 2014. The brand name is actually named after my mother. It's my love letter to her. I want women of color to know that they are no longer an afterthought. In my late teens, I worked as a Sephora beauty advisor. I was a sophomore in college. My time working at Sephora definitely inspired my journey. I learned so much as a Sephora employee. It was such just joy being able to learn about products, learn about ingredients, learn about consumer shopping and trends. I'm a skincare beauty junkie, all things beauty. So when I swatch things, and you realize that the undertone was off or the texture was wrong, it was so frustrating seeing that and receiving that as a consumer, but now I'm so happy that my brand, Colé, is able to solve for that. I am so excited to talk about skin tint. It's a product that took a lot of blood, sweat, and tears. We surveyed so many women. It's been an award-winning product since we've launched. As a consumer, I had been looking, so I knew that there had to be other people too. It wasn't until 2019 that I actually posted a logo on my own social media. For that year, I just went out to convention centers. I was reaching out to freelancers and consultants. I really focused in on materializing this brand. The goal with the skin enhancing tint is to get those undertones right. For us, it started off with ingredients, understanding what clean meant to us, nourishing ingredients like baobab seed extract and camellia oil and passion fruit oil and desert date. By the time we got to the final sample, it was now up to shade matching, getting the shades correct.
What I love about the shades is that we really focused on making sure that they're not too red, not too orange, not flashing too bright.
It feels like a hydrated skin, and you would think I have nothing on, but I clearly do.
Yeah.
I'm really proud of this formula.
Yeah.
And the material, it being actually recyclable, and like the bioresin that we use for this packaging, made from sugarcane.
Yep.
It was a no-brainer to create the best qualities and experience that this person deserved. I think the most difficult part, of course, is fundraising. Less than 2% of fundraising in general goes to women. 0.002% of that goes to Black women. So the odds were against me. It was very difficult. I got a lot of no's, and I think it was after Black Lives Matter that people realized that there was a huge inequity in the world, not to mention funding and what was going on in the consumer space. We launched on May 17, 2021. I think we blew out our entire month's forecast in that one day. So we were, happy, but also frantic because we needed to order more. Sephora really valuing inclusivity and diversity. We knew that we had the right partners. When people think of Colé, I want them to feel joy. I want every individual to feel seen and feel celebrated. We're really, really proud to do that work, no matter how hard it is.